Assalamu alaikum. Dear brothers and sisters, hope that you all are good and fine. And I am also good and fine. And well, via insurance, sorry. So quick balance, it's a good fact. Home insurance, we have to know about home insurance. So just rank it best, get a home insurance. Oh my goodness, what is homeowners insurance? First, we have to know what is homeowners for insurance. So it is a good topic and good. Ah, sorry for that. I have to it over down because of quality. So homeowners who are aware what is homeowners insurance. So we have to know what is homeowners insurance. Homeowners insurance, also called home insurance, helps pay for damage your home and the thing you own when something happens that covered your policy. So it's simple. They offer there some policy are around you. You want to insurance and create an insurance account of them with them. So they provide something opportunity to establish your house and security for your housing. That's it. Okay. It is the good opportunity for you. Home. Okay. And the things you own when something happens is covers by own policy. It also provides liability coverage that helps protect your finance if you are held responsible for someone else's injuries or property damage. Okay, so go to one. It's a home insurance. Insurance is people who own living in house. So it's must and opportunity of rules. Home insurance is for people who own and live in their houses. Well, it's a good example and hope that it's a good, good quote for